Feeling bloated, sluggish, or constantly irritable? You are not alone. In fact, 40% of people face digestive issues that go beyond the stomach. Today we are revealing how your gut might hold the secret to better energy, mood, and even immunity. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Dr. Dilshod, and today we are diving into something more than just digestion, your gut health. You might have heard it called your second brain, and there is a reason for that. Your gut plays a vital role in controlling not just how you digest food, but also your mood, energy levels, and even your immune function. If you are feeling bloated, fatigued, or even mentally foggy, culprit might just be your gut. Today, we will explore how you can clean up your gut, restore balance, and feel better all around. Let's get into it. Many people deal with digestive discomfort like bloating, irregular bowel movements, and fatigue. But these issues often stem from an imbalance in your gut. Your gut houses trillions of microorganisms known as microbiome. When these good and bad bacteria fall out of balance due to a poor diet, stress, or even dehydration, you experience symptoms like bloating and sluggishness. Poor diet. Foods high in sugar and processed ingredients feed bad bacteria, leading to discomfort like bloating and gas. Chronic stress. Stress slows digestion, leading to irregular bowel movements and discomfort. Gut-brain axis. Your gut talks to your brain through the gut-brain axis. When your gut is out of balance, it can contribute to mood disorders like anxiety or brain fog. Immune impact. Since 70% of your immune system resides in your gut, poor gut health can make you prone to infections and illnesses. Let's talk about how you restore balance in your gut. These are simple, effective strategies anyone can start today. Increase fiber. Fiber acts like a broom for your gut, sweeping away waste and feeding good bacteria. Load up on fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Probiotics. Foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables are full of probiotics, which can help balance your microbiome. They can also help improve mental clarity and mood. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for good digestion. It helps your body eliminate waste and prevents constipation. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Natural remedies. Peppermint or ginger tea. Both are known to soothe digestive discomfort, making them great short-term fixes. Apple cider vinegar. This can help balance stomach acid levels, aiding digestion but should be used sparingly. Intermittent fasting. Giving your gut a rest can promote healing. By cycling between eating and fasting, you can reduce bloating and inflammation. Let me tell you about one of my patients. She came to me complaining of constant bloating and low energy. After making small changes, adding fiber, probiotics, and staying hydrated, her bloating disappeared within 2 weeks. Her energy level increased and even her mood improved. That's the power of healthy gut. To summarize, your gut does more than digest food. It impacts your mood, energy, and immune system. Small, sustainable changes like adding fiber, drinking water, incorporating probiotics can lead to big improvements. Remember, start slow and build these habits over time. Now it's your turn. Have you tried gut cleaning methods? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, make sure to like it, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Let's work together for better health. See you next time.